In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate voice in Google AI Studio. To get started, open your browser and search for Google AI Studio. From the search results, click on Google AI Studio to open the platform. Once you're inside, look for the currently selected AI model near the top of the interface and click on it. This opens the model options, which is where you can switch to tools that support audio generation. Next, click on Audio, then choose an audio model. For example, you may see a text-to-speech preview model available. After selecting the model, click on the option that says Turn Text into Natural-Sounding Speech. This takes you to the speech generation workspace. Now you can begin setting up your audio. Start by typing in your scene. This is usually a short description of what the audio is for, and it helps frame the result. After that, type in the context. The context gives the model more guidance about the tone, situation, or delivery style you want, so it's worth being clear and specific here. Then open the speaker settings. In this section, you can describe the voice persona, such as the style or character of the speaker. You can also customize the director's note, which helps shape how the line should be performed. After that, choose your preferred voice from the available options. Once the voice settings are in place, type in your script. This is the exact text you want the model to speak. If needed, you can also add another speech block, which is useful if you want multiple sections or different lines organized separately. When everything looks good, click Run to generate the voice. After the audio is created, you can click the download icon to save the generated voice file to your device. That's how to generate voice in Google AI Studio, from choosing the model all the way to downloading the finished result.